Hi, I'm Mahdy Hassan. Today I'm talking about WordPress plugin which name is RabbitLoader. If you are using WordPress and worry about speed, then it will be a nice product for you. So let's see how it works.
Automated defense during activated.
Now open the Google Chrome and type codermahdy.com. That is my site. That is an e-commerce site. Now search on Google PageSpeed Insight. That is the best site for speed testing. Now copy my site address and paste it on PageSpeed Insight and analyze the site. Oh, the performance is too much poor. For desktop it is 59 and the performance for mobile is only 8. Time to interactive 2.5 seconds for desktop. The result is bad for my site. Now type RabbitLoader and search on Google. This is the plugin and also one of the fantastic plugin for increasing speed of a site. I hope you like this plugin. Pricing, there are two options, free and paid. Now go to my site dashboard, my username and password. Add new plugin. Search the plugin RabbitLoader and install it. Activate it and go to the plugin. Activate RabbitLoader. There are three options for sign in: Facebook, Google and Twitter. I am using Google for sign in. My email address and also type my password. Do you run ads on this website? Yes, I run ads. Rabbit is warming up. Purge all pages. Clear all case. Close. Now I am waiting for some time. There are some options. e-roll performance, images, critical CSS options, CDN uses, demographics and settings. Yeah, warming up is complete. Everything is done. Again, go to the page speed inside and paste my site for analyzing. Wow, great job. The performance is 81 for mobile. Which was only 8. Wow, nice. Super. The performance is 97. Is too much increasing. Total blocking time 0 millisecond. Super performance. Yeah, the plugin is working correctly. Wow, great job done by RabbitLoader. That is amazing. The performance is 81 for mobile, which was only 8, and the performance is 97 for desktop, which was 59. Now again going to my site and let's see. The plugin is working correctly. Okay guys, thanks for watching.
Automated defense grid activated.